Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this bench vise from Parkside. Cast iron body with steel shaft, spindle with turning limiter, includes two rubber jaws, jaw opening 100mm, approximately it weighs 5.3 kg, jaw width it is 100mm, with bore holes for mounting to a workbench and wherever you want. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. In the past I have made a video, different model, different color. Wow, it's quite heavy, 5.3 kg. This is the maximum, 11 cm and 10 cm. You can see the construction. Silicone are going here. If you have any sensitive material, you can use these silicone pads. And of course included we have and the screws, and you can mount it at any surface, at your workbench, wherever you want. Screws, the length it is 7.5 centimeter. Clear it is 7 centimeter. With two safety screws on a green and gray color. So you can use it on a variety of work for cutting steel, aluminium, wood, whatever you want at any time. First you need to place it at your workbench with these screws and then do your work. Well, let's bring the wood. Now if you don't want to leave any marks from the jaws at the wood, just use this silicone. There it is, very strong. Nice. And without the marks at the wood. Now if you don't care, just remove the silicone pads and there you have it. Tight it as much you want. Okay. That is very strong. Wow. I like it. And do your job. I like it. So I'm sure everyone needs that kind of bench vise at his workbench, at his basement, workspace, wherever it is the area that you are working. Maybe more than one, yeah, why not? Sometimes we need more than one. It cost only 30 euros. I think the price, it is fair. Maybe a little bit less than 30 euros, it will be nicer. But that is the price, 30 euros. So if you want to buy, you know where you can go. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.